Hi guys, so let's unbox this pTRON 25 watt fast charging type C fast charger. It's model number Volta FC19. So you can see it comes in such a packing. I have got this for a Samsung phone. So coming up to the specifications, it says input of around 100 to 240 volts of AC current, output 5 volts 3 ampere or 9 volts 2.77 amperes, and it has one type C port made up of ABS material. This adapter comes with 6 months of warranty. So you can see it comes in such a packing. Now let's unbox this. So that's it, you just get the adapter in this, a white color adapter, as you can see here. 25 watt fast charging pTRON adapter. You see the type C port here with power adapter, BIS regulations, and made in India logo. So I just ordered this from Amazon for about 500 rupees. Thank you.